In this video, I'm going to talk about 3 of the main questions I get regarding starting a parking lot striping business. Alright guys, before we get started, I want to give a shout out to our 3 newest students of the All-Pro Parking Lot Striping course. We have Timothy out in Flagstaff, Arizona. Also, we have Ryan out in O'Fallon, Missouri. And last but not least, we have Jonathan and Mary, husband and wife team out in San Diego, California. So let's get to the 3 top questions I get regarding starting a parking lot striping business. Number 1 top question I get is, which type of equipment do I recommend purchasing? Well, guys, let me tell you, I am a little biased for the Titan 3500 power liner, but also another great machine to use is the Graco 3400. You can Google both of those machines, see the pros and cons of each. But again, I favor the Titan 3500 power liner, as you see right here. The second most common question I get as far as starting a parking lot striping business is, do we charge the customer to prepare the parking lot to receive the paints? Absolutely. This could typically go as far as using a blower, a broom, and sometimes even a pressure washer to clean the painted areas only. Typically, I charge about $175 per hour for prep work. If you want to find out more information on how to start a parking lot striping business, I have put together a 14-hour-long video training course. There'll be a link down in the description and the first pinned comment to the All-Pro Parking Lot Striping course. This course will teach you everything you need to know from A to Z to get started ASAP, from a 30-year veteran of the parking lot striping industry. Also, we're offering split payments. If that is something you need to get started, we recommend doing that. Just contact me directly. There'll be my personal phone number on my website. The goal here is to get you started quickly as possible and making extra money for you and your family. The third most common question I get when starting a parking lot striping business is marketing your new parking lot striping business. Let's go over a couple ways that definitely could help you out market your parking lot striping business basically free of cost. And don't forget to stay towards the end of the video. I'm going to share a very special treat with you all. One of my favorite ways to market my parking lot striping business, even after being in business for 30 years, we have found that email marketing is incredible and powerful tool to use when acquiring new jobs in the parking lot striping world, period. And whenever you're using email marketing, if you don't get a response right away, you can always retouch that customer every 3 weeks with a new email and trying a different tactic. I also have an email template in the All-Pro Parking Lot Striping course, which can be found in link in the first pinned comment below. Another great way to market a parking lot striping business is cold calling. Matter of fact, I have a very special treat for you. I'm going to copy and paste my cold call script down in the description of this video. So make sure you check that out. That could be a very powerful tool to grow your parking lot striping business. Again, it's our cold call script that we have honed in over the years. That works really well, along with follow-up email marketing and even in-person visit to that facility or business that you're trying to acquire that new client for parking lot striping. So guys, again, check out the description, check out the first pinned comment of this video, and don't forget to check out BillyDavidsonVIP.com, and I hope to see you in the next video.